When it comes to curling, your curling iron isn't the problem, your technique is. Watch this video and learn how to curl like a pro. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is a tutorial on how to curl your wig from start to finish. I have already prepared the hair, I have layered it and also blow dried it. If you want a tutorial on how I layered this hair, then kindly let me know in the comment section. I'm going to start curling from the back, but I'm going to section it so it will be easier for me. I will section it in two parts, the left side and the right side, and that will be the same way that will be curling. For the tools and products, you will see them as we go. I am going to curl 2 wefts at the same time, because if I do it one by one, it will be too thin for me. I want heavy curls, so I'm going to curl 2 wefts, basically 2 lines of the weft that has been sewn on the wig cap at the same time. Now I will curl the left side and the right side, and again the products I'll be using, you will see it as I go. I'm going to start with my heat protectant and then my serum. And here I'm going to section it in 2 as well. So I'm going to be curling the right side in a different way and the left side also in a different way. Hence the reason why I'm sectioning in 2 different parts. Now I've taken my curling iron, and this is where you open, okay? So where you open should be facing you when you are curling this, when you are curling on the right side. So when you open it, it has to face you. Don't hold it like this and open. The part where you open should face you. Now I'll go in first. Basically, I'm trying to just make the hair look clean by just going in first too, as though I'm straightening it. Now I'm going to get back in, so I open the curling iron, grab the hair in there, and as I'm turning the hair over the curling iron, and I will drag it down for some time, allow the heat to get into the hair, drag it down and pull it up, bring it to the top, bring it to the top. I'll wait for some time so that the heat can allow the hair to process, and I'll drop it in my palm. Now I want the curl to be really popping in the hairstyle, so I'm going to pin it down using I'll be using my dark clip to pin it down. But before I do that, I will go in with my Oasis hairspray, folding spray, basically spray it down, and I'll clip the hair in place. For the left side, again the curling iron is facing me. However, this time, instead of curling to the left, I'm going to curl to the right. So I've opened the curling iron, basically trying to just make the hair look straight as possible. Then I've grabbed the hair in the curling iron. Now I'm curling to the right side, okay? Curling to the right side. But as you can see, my hands are quite straight. I mean straight like this. False curling, so the hair is dropping on the other side of the curling iron. If you can remember, on this side the hair was dropping on the left side, but right now as we are curling to the right, the hair is dropping on the right side. You drag the curling iron down for some time, then you bring it up. Make sure all the hair is in there. Hold it for some time, drop it into your palm like this. Now spray it down then pin it in place. Of course, sometimes you don't have to pin it in place. Sometimes you just drop the curls, and that also works. But I want the hair to be able to hold the curl for some time. Hence the reason I'm going for this method. I'm going to grab 2 more wefts. Again, I'm not doing it weft by weft. I'm doing it 2 wefts, but at the same time. So I'll grab it down, pin this back in place, move it out of the way, and do the same thing on the other side. Then I'll go in with my heat protectant, my serum, once again I'll go in. As you can see, this side is facing me again, but I'm going to go in first to sort of straighten the hair, then come back in, pull the hair over the curling iron, drag it down. We drag it down so that we can make sure that curling iron is able to accommodate all the hair. Now I'm dragging it down so I can place all the hair inside the curling iron. Then I move it up, hold it in place for some time, 10 seconds. Drop it, hold in spray, pin it down. For this, I'll section it again, making sure that I'm sectioning it with the same sort of amount of hair. I'm leaving the same amount of hair. Right, now that is done, I'll go in. This time I'm going to curl on and drop the hair on the right side. Move the curling iron down, and as you are moving down, you are turning it around so that the hair can be wrapped around the curling iron. Down, right? Sometimes you don't even have to open the curling iron. Just drag it down. Hold for 10 seconds. Drop it. The way you drop the hair should be the way you pin it down. So if you are dropping the hair on your right side, you have to pin it down on your right. Okay, I mean, basically, if you're taking the pins out, you have to drop it the same way that you curled. So you have to remember. And for me, the way I differentiate the left from the right, okay, the head of the pin is on the right side, so I know if this is falling, it's falling on the right side. And for the left, I'm going to pin it, making sure that the pin is holding on the left side. So that is a technique we are going to be doing for all around the hair except for the front.
Before you even pick up a curling iron, make sure your hair is clean, because product buildup can ruin your curls. And also remember, the quality of your hair determines the outcome really. You can't compare virgin hair with raw hair. The outcome will always be different. Obviously, virgin hair is not able to hold style for long, but raw hair does. So you have to be mindful of the hair type that you also have. So this technique of curling, right, is called the reverse bombshell curls. Basically, this means that the curls are directed away from the face, not towards it like the traditional bombshell curls. This is the reverse bombshell, basically, shell curls, okay? So instead of the traditional inward swoop, the curls open up the face. Okay, so this basically gives a more modern lifted volume look.
So for the front, I want a lot of volume in the front, so I haven't even patted the hair, but I'm going to pat it so I can use my Velcro rollers to get the volume that I want. I don't want a perfectly straight line because I'm not going to need it. And I'll grab the hair in there, curl to the left. Basically the hair is coming out from the left, that's what I mean. Then using the Velcro roller, I am just going to put all the hair on the roller, making sure that it is really tight, like that. Then I will pin it down. Now this time I want the hair to fall on the right side. I'm just going to start unpinning, and we are going to pin the way we curled. So on the left side, we are making sure the curl is going to fall on the left, like this. And on the right, we'll make sure the hair falls on the right side, like this. I'm going to use my tooth comb to comb it back, not down, not straight or not down, but rather the side. It goes like this to get the technique right. I've let this two up there for the meantime. We'll do that. I'm going to start from here. Ooh, have you seen the layers? Ooh.
Combing out curls is where a lot of people struggle, because that's where the real magic or the mistakes happens. Now you have to start by making sure that the hair was fully cool or the hair has set before taking the pins down and before combing. This is very important. It determines whether the hair will maintain the style or it will drop. And also use a wide tooth comb. This is the final result of what we've just did. The layers are layering and the hair, the curls is giving soft glam. If you have watched till now, then I believe you enjoyed it. So please subscribe to my channel, give this video a very big thumbs up, and also comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.